Elephants are remarkable creatures, admired for their extraordinary intelligence, social complexity, and the sheer awe they inspire in anyone who encounters them. These magnificent animals are the largest land mammals on Earth and have been subjects of fascination and study for centuries. In this detailed exploration of elephants, we will cover various aspects of their biology, memory, behavior, strength, and much more. Elephants are classified into three species: the African bush elephant, Loxodonta africana, the African forest elephant, Loxodonta cyclotis, and the Asian elephant, Elephas maximus. African elephants are larger than their Asian counterparts, with males reaching heights of up to 13 feet, 4 meters, at the shoulder and weighing up to 12,000 pounds, 5,443 kilograms. Their smaller relatives, the Asian elephants, are typically found in forests and grasslands across Asia and are characterized by smaller size and a slightly different body shape. Elephants belong to the order Proboscidea and are distinguished by their large ears, which help regulate body temperature, their trunk, a highly versatile and sensitive appendage, and tusks made of ivory, which are elongated incisor teeth. Among the many features that make elephants stand out, their exceptional memory is perhaps the most widely known and revered. Elephants have an incredible ability to recall specific individuals, places, and events, often for decades. This remarkable memory is thought to play a vital role in their survival, particularly in their natural habitat, where environmental changes, social dynamics, and long-distance migration can all present challenges. The memory of elephants is particularly tied to their social structure. Elephants live in tight-knit family units led by a matriarch, the oldest and most experienced female in the group. This matriarch's memory is crucial for guiding the herd through various aspects of life, from finding food and water to navigating seasonal migrations. Elephants are known to recall the locations of waterholes and feeding grounds that they have visited many years before. This skill is crucial in their migratory patterns, particularly in regions where resources like water are scarce during dry periods. A study conducted by researchers found that matriarchs are particularly adept at remembering the locations of water sources during times of drought. This ability is vital to the survival of the entire herd, as the older females use their knowledge to lead the group to these life-saving resources. Furthermore, elephants have been known to remember and recognize individuals even after years of separation. They are capable of distinguishing between the sounds of different elephants, which allows them to recognize not only other members of their herd, but also outsiders and potential threats. The strong social bonds elephants share also contribute to their memory. Elephants form long-lasting relationships with other members of their herd, and their memories are integral to maintaining these connections. In particular, elephants can remember individuals from other herds that they have interacted with, and they have been observed to react to these individuals with a mixture of curiosity, excitement, or wariness. In one famous example, a herd of elephants was recorded reacting to the bones of a deceased elephant. The elephants, upon encountering the bones, appeared to be mourning the loss, with some even gently touching the skull with their trunks. This emotional response is attributed to their memory of the deceased animal and their emotional intelligence. Elephants exhibit a wide range of behaviors that highlight their intelligence and social complexity. Their interactions with each other, as well as with other species, reveal just how deeply elephants feel, think, and communicate. The social structure of an elephant herd is matriarchal, with the oldest and most experienced female leading the group. Male elephants typically leave the herd once they reach maturity, around 12 to 15 years old, and live solitary lives or form loose associations with other males. Females, on the other hand, remain in their maternal family units for life. This social structure ensures that younger elephants are taught survival skills and that the herd benefits from the knowledge accumulated by the matriarch. Communication is essential within elephant herds, and they use a variety of sounds and physical gestures to convey messages. Elephants are capable of producing infrasound, low-frequency sounds that can travel for miles through the ground. These sounds are often used to communicate over long distances, such as to call members of a distant herd or to warn of danger. In addition to vocalizations, elephants also communicate through tactile interactions, such as touching, nuzzling, and rubbing their trunks together. Elephants have a wide range of vocalizations, including trumpeting, rumbling, and grumbling. These vocalizations can convey different emotions, including excitement, distress, or curiosity. They also use body language, such as flapping their ears or raising their trunks, to express various feelings. Elephants also engage in play, which is a clear indication of their intelligence and emotional depth. Young elephants, in particular, are known to play together, engaging in activities like mock charging, wrestling, and chasing one another. These play behaviors help young elephants develop vital social skills and establish bonds with other members of the herd. Elephants have been observed displaying a range of emotions, including joy, grief, empathy, and even a sense of humor. When an elephant experiences a loss, whether it's a herd member or a longtime companion, they may show signs of mourning. They have been seen caressing the bones or carcasses of deceased elephants, and even appear to grieve the loss of individual humans they were close to. One of the most touching demonstrations of empathy comes when an elephant helps another elephant in distress. In certain cases, elephants have been observed assisting an injured member of their herd by helping them to stand or guiding them to safety. These acts of kindness and cooperation further underline the social intelligence of these majestic animals. Elephants are incredibly strong animals, and their strength is one of their most distinctive traits. Their size alone makes them formidable, but it's their physical prowess, especially in their trunks and tusks, that sets them apart from other animals. The elephant's trunk is perhaps its most iconic feature. It is an extension of the upper lip and nose and is a highly versatile tool used for a variety of tasks, including drinking, grabbing food, bathing, and even expressing emotions. The trunk is made up of around 150,000 muscle units, allowing it to be extremely flexible and powerful. An elephant can use its trunk to lift heavy objects, pull branches from trees, or break down large shrubs. The trunk's strength is particularly evident in the way elephants manipulate their environment. They can use their trunks to uproot small trees or strip the bark off large ones with relative ease. This incredible strength, combined with the trunk's dexterity, allows elephants to access food in ways that most other herbivores cannot. Elephants' tusks are elongated incisors made of ivory. Tusks are essential for various activities, such as digging for water, stripping bark from trees, and defending themselves against predators. In some cases, elephants use their tusks to move large objects or clear paths through dense vegetation. While tusks are most commonly associated with male elephants, female elephants also possess them, though their tusks tend to be smaller. The strength of an elephant is also evident in its ability to carry large loads. In the past, elephants were used as working animals in Asia, where they were employed in logging and other heavy labor tasks. Today, however, elephants are more often associated with conservation efforts and tourism. Elephants are not only strong in terms of lifting and manipulating objects, but also when it comes to defense. They have thick skin that acts as armor against predators, and their sheer size often makes them impervious to most threats. However, elephants can also be surprisingly agile, using their tusks and trunks to defend themselves or their young from predators, such as lions or crocodiles. Males, in particular, can display impressive strength during mating contests, where they compete for dominance and the right to mate with females. These encounters can be intense and involve aggressive displays of strength, including pushing, charging, and using tusks as weapons. Despite their strength and resilience, elephants face numerous threats, primarily due to human activities. Habitat loss, poaching for ivory, and conflicts with humans over resources have led to significant declines in elephant populations, particularly in Africa. In some parts of the world, elephants are threatened by poaching, driven by the demand for ivory, and illegal hunting. Conservation efforts for elephants have become increasingly important, and several organizations are working to protect these majestic creatures. Anti-poaching laws, elephant sanctuaries, and efforts to reduce human-elephant conflicts are all part of a global movement to ensure the survival of elephants for future generations. Elephants are often seen as flagship species, meaning that their protection also helps protect other species in their ecosystems. Through education, awareness, and conservation efforts, the hope is to secure a future where elephants can roam freely in the wild, just as they have for millennia. The conclusion is, elephants are a testament to the beauty and complexity of the natural world. Their extraordinary memory, intricate social behaviors, remarkable strength, and emotional depth make them some of the most fascinating creatures on Earth. Despite the challenges they face, elephants continue to inspire awe and admiration. As we work toward their conservation, we not only ensure the survival of these magnificent animals, but also preserve the ecosystems they help maintain. Elephants are not just symbols of strength, they are symbols of wisdom, empathy, and the intricate web of life on our planet.